Respected students, welcome back everyone. So today's video is about the Cloud MCP server along with Power BI. So you all know that the way AI has been introduced from last 3 to 4 years and the way it is evolving in our data analytics field. So even the Power BI is getting automated, and we all know that few years back only one technology Cloud MCP server has came, and definitely we will see the proper tutorials of it. Okay, so in this today's video, what I'm going to tell you how to connect the Cloud MCP server with Power BI. Practically, I'm going to tell you installation process, everything, so that you can also do in your computer, and side by side you can work along with me. So I'm going to make multiple tutorials on this. So now I'm going to tell you how to connect the file, and after that installation everything we will check. Okay, so now we have to write connect to. Okay, what is the name of the file? POC review. Connect to POC review with Power BI desktop. Okay, so properly we are, let me check whether, okay, so in Power BI desktop we should write, not with. Okay, connect to POC report in Power. So this is Claude. So basically you need three things. Okay, I will tell you. See, found it. POC is open on port 5954 connecting now. So it is right now it is connecting so that we can write any prompt, create a measure, create a date table, whatever prompt, check relationship, everything we can do it. Okay. And now see, it has now connected to POC review. Here's the model snapshot. See, fact table, dim customer table. It has checked everything. Now let's check whether the 10 or 12 columns are there or not. See, here in dim customer, you can see 3, 3, 6, and 10 columns. In dim customer, you can see 10 columns. Even it has told 10 columns, and fact transaction is having 12. Now what we will do, we have to do full audit. Now I will tell you how the full audit is done. You just have to give the prompt here and it will do full audit here. This will require a time. So side by side, now I will tell you how to install it. Okay. First thing, you have to go to your Chrome. Two things you have to do. Download Claude. Okay. Desktop version. See, this is the desktop version which I am using. So desktop version you need. Second is download Visual Studio Code. Okay. Download for Windows. Okay, this link I will paste in the YouTube description. Okay, from there you can take two things you have to download. Download Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio. Okay, let me tell you, this is the most important thing. See, Visual Studio Code you need. Okay, see this, not this Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code you need for Windows. Download Cloud version. Okay, after that, when you will download that, install the Visual Studio Code. Now see installation, you know how to run it. And now go to this fifth option, extension. So when you will go to this extension, just write here Power BI modeling. Okay, Power BI modeling MCP server. In your case, it here it will come install. So right now it is installing. So in my PC already it has been installed, and I am working along with that only. So in your case, it will be install here. Okay, then you have to. So after Visual Studio Code and Cloud Desktop, you have to install Power BI modeling MCP server. Okay, after that you have to go to your C folder which is there. Okay, C folder which is there, there you have to go and you have to find where is VS Code extension. Okay, VS Code extension you have to find where it is. So right now it is working. Let me check whether this. So see, it is doing full audit side by side here. Okay. It is taking time actually. So I will tell you in users it is. mm, So see, you have came in this. Okay. After that you have to go what I have told, VS Code extension, analysis, server, and this is the most important thing. See, VS Code extension, which I was telling. From here you are going to get path, control, copy as a path. Okay, that is going to help you. And go to this Claude. In this Claude, file, file settings, settings, developer, and edit configuration. Right now for me it's running. For you it will only show edit configuration. There you have to go. Okay, there you have to click. Okay, there you have to click, and just what you have to do is that paste this code. Okay, and I will tell you how to paste that code. Make sure JSON file is there. So see this JSON file, this 2 marks should be there. Okay, 2 dash should be there everywhere because this is a JSON file and this code is important for you. This code you have to paste properly in your Claude, which is there, edit configuration, and after that you have to restart the computer. Okay, properly restart the computer, or you can disconnect and reconnect Wi-Fi also once so that it will work properly. So this is the way to install it. It will take max 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the way to install it, and if even if you are having any doubt, you can comment within 1 hour. I will reply you regarding the installation process also. So now here what we have done, here we have connected our report already. Okay, now what we will do, now we are doing the full audit. Okay, so the full audit has been completed. Okay, so the full audit has been completed properly. So our score is 42 out of 100, which is very less. Guys, it should be more than 70. Okay, so when I'm doing work on real-time project, so we are checking at least it should be 70. So this is the dummy file which I have only created this data set. Okay, and from that I'm working. So basically now we will see 5 good findings, 6 warnings, 6 critical issue. So now we will do data analysis. So first thing, what's the best thing? It's a clean star schema model. So guys, let me tell you, when I was working on data analytics projects earlier, for this full audit, it used to take more than 6 to 7 hours to do proper detail analysis. But right now, see, in 5 10 minutes, it has given me everything. Okay. So clean star schema model is there. No negative zero amounts is there. That's the best thing. Okay. Good dimension, zero null keys on both sides. Okay. So completely proper foreign and primary key is there, and the critical issue which is there, see, transaction date is stored as integer, not date. So transaction date which is there, let's check whether it has given properly or not. See, transaction date is whole, it should be date, so it has found, so we have to solve that issue. No date table, so time intelligence is impossible. Okay, no date table is there. So loan type populated, okay, zero measures defined. So major we will create afterwards, that's not a critical issue. RLS also we will create afterwards. And warning, what is there, customer ID visible in both tables, transaction ID not hidden. So these are the some of the findings. So we can solve it, we can give the next prompt also, solve the critical issue. Okay, whatever it is properly, it should be there. See, must be a date dimension, move to dim table. So this column transaction type which is there. Okay, so basically it's a categorical column, so it is telling to move to a transaction. So we can give the next prompt here that can now solve the critical issue, solve the created separate date table, create this measure, everything we can give in this prompt. But when we will do that in next part. So right now in this part, what I wanted to show you is that how to install a cloud MCP server along with Power BI, and basically how to correct a file and do a full audit. Okay, so make sure you are watching the next part number 2 3 4, many parts. I'm going to do it properly. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching till end, and if you are having any doubt, make sure you are commenting. Within 1 hour I will reply you, and please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for all upcoming videos. Thank you.